India has taken a significant step in defense modernization with the indigenous production of the AK-203 assault rifle, codenamed Sher. Manufactured at the Korwa facility in Amethi, Uttar Pradesh, under the Indonesia Rifles Private Limited joint venture, the 7.62 by 39 mm AK-203 is part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India initiatives. Initially, 70,000 rifles were imported during 2021-22, followed by the assembly of semi-knockdown kits starting in early 2023. By mid-2025, around 48,000 rifles had been delivered with 50% indigenous content, and full indigenization is expected by December 2025, with an annual production capacity projected to exceed 100,000 units. Featuring a 415 mm barrel, an unloaded weight of approximately 3.8 kilograms, an effective range of 800 meters, and a 30-round magazine, the AK-203 incorporates modern elements such as Picatinny rails, polymer furniture, corrosion-resistant materials, and an adjustable folding stock, making it durable and adaptable for various combat scenarios. The Indian Army plans to procure over 600,000 rifles to replace the aging INSAR series, while law enforcement agencies like the Kerala Police and Central Armed Police Forces (CAPFs) have also started adopting the weapon. With full technology transfer underway, India is set to become a key regional hub for AK series rifle production and export, targeting markets in Southeast Asia, Africa, and friendly nations seeking modern assault rifles. Priced competitively at 85,000 rupees to 90,000 rupees per unit, the AK-203 provides a cost-effective, dependable, and durable solution suited for both conventional warfare and counterinsurgency missions. Its development reflects a successful model of international cooperation while reinforcing India's strategic goal of achieving defense self-reliance. As a symbol of this commitment, the AK-203 Sher showcases the fusion of Russian firearm engineering with India's growing manufacturing expertise, enhancing national security and establishing India as a key contender in the global defense industry.